Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Benihana salad dressing. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of fresh ginger, peeled and chopped, along with 1/4 cup of chopped onion. Also, have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of water. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon of sugar. These simple items are the foundation for this delicious dressing. Now, let's get blending. Take your peeled and chopped ginger and the chopped onion and place them into a food processor. Next, pour in the soy sauce, rice vinegar, and water. Secure the lid and blend these ingredients thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth. It's important to ensure there are no large pieces left, creating a uniform and delightful base for your dressing. Almost there. Once your base is smooth, it's time to add the final touches. Pour in the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and the 1 tablespoon of sugar. Blend everything together again until all the ingredients are well combined and the dressing is beautifully emulsified. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings to your preference. For the best flavor, chill the dressing for at least 30 minutes before serving. Your homemade Benihana-style dressing is now ready to enjoy. Drizzle it generously over your favorite crisp green salad for an authentic taste experience. If you have any leftover, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 5 days, so you can savor that amazing flavor. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.